Ancient humans buried their dead 120,000 years before modern humans, according to new claims about a mysterious species called Homo naledi. In a cave system deep beneath South Africa, researchers have found evidence suggesting that this small-brained, extinct human relative may have deliberately buried its dead more than 240,000 years ago, long before Homo sapiens or Neanderthals are thought to have developed funeral practices. The idea was first proposed in 2015 when paleoanthropologist Lee Berger and his team announced the discovery of at least 15 Homo naledi skeletons in a hidden cave chamber. The unusual placement of the bones, along with markings on cave walls and fragments of charcoal, led them to believe this could be one of the oldest burial sites ever found. But not everyone agreed. Other scientists argued the charcoal was not properly dated, the burial pits were not clearly defined, and the carvings might not even be human-made. A major review in 2024 concluded that there was not enough solid evidence to prove Homo naledi had funerary rituals. Still, Berger and his team did not back down. In their latest study, they reanalyzed the site and argue that natural processes like gravity, water flow, or accidental falls into the cave cannot explain how the bodies ended up buried in that specific way. They now suggest the most likely explanation is that Homo naledi intentionally placed the bodies there and buried them with sediment. That is a big deal, because it suggests this species had some level of cultural awareness, even though its brain was much smaller than ours. If true, it would completely change our understanding of when complex behaviors like burial began, and which species were capable of them.